Hey guys, I was at Costco today. It looks like they have the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean rechargeable electric toothbrush sets. It's basically a 2-pack. It comes in either white and pink or white and black. So it's pretty interesting. And now it costs $200 though for this 2-pack, which is pretty, it might sound like a lot, but online it's actually $175 just for the black one or the pink one. So it's actually a good deal. So I'll leave the link below if you're interested in looking on the reviews and stuff on it. But overall, it basically is pretty interesting. It's your standard Philips Sonicare head. Comes with a charging case that's USB powered. It's supposed to charge your toothbrush handle while you're traveling, and that's the beauty of it, I guess. You get to charge your thing when on the go. It also comes with a cup, and that's your charging cup. You basically you could use that to rinse your mouth after you're brushing, but also you put your handle on there so you could charge. I have this at home, so I could probably showcase it to you later. But the thing, at the same time, it comes in a 2-pack. Like I said, it's roughly about $100 a piece. There's actually a $80 off coupon right now from a manufacturer rebate, I think. But I'm not sure if it's local to some Costco's or not. Anyways, long story short, basically 2 Sonicare brushes, 2 charging glasses, 2 USB charging cases, 2 premium plaque control heads, and 2 DiamondClean brush heads, and also a 2-year warranty as well. So actually not bad if you want to spend almost $100 for a toothbrush. But you know, if I was traveling, I'll probably just use a manual one. But everyday use, I use my regular Sonicare. Anyways, please like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. See you next time.